Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming and welcome to another quick unboxing video. So today I have the Hyperion gaming mouse from Cosmic Byte. I have used a couple of mice from Cosmic Byte before, and they are like budget mice that actually use a decent sensor. This one uses the 3325, I believe, and this is a wired and wireless mouse. So it is wireless and you can connect the wire and use it as well. So I decided to give it a try. It's not an expensive mouse. It's under 2K in India. I put the link below so you can check the latest price. But it was surprisingly cheap because I am trying to find a good wireless mouse, but there is nothing affordable available here. The only one I have used before that is cheap is the 304. So here is the mouse, as you can see. It is exactly the same shape as the Logitech 403. So it is a very comfortable shape, a very nice shape, as you can see, very ergonomic. And I've been using the ambidextrous mouse, but this is more for right-handed people. Now underneath there is like this tab here with 3 levels. It says level 1, 2 and 3. I could not zoom in because I'm using my phone and I don't have the proper focus on it. And I believe that is to set your profiles, because the DPI switch is different. So you can see I'm just showing you the shape, and yeah, I was just impressed by how good the mouse is in your hand. Like the shape and feel is so comfortable. It is a larger mouse, so if you're used to something light and small when gaming, then this might not be the right one, but it is a good shape, so it will be very comfortable, and plus it's wireless, so it will feel lighter as well. Now total weight is 96 grams. I'm just removing the sort of tape on the mouse skates, and yeah, this is the shape. You can see it's not as low as some of the other mice. Like the Logitech 304 is quite low, and I just never felt comfortable with it. This is much more easy to grip. In fact, even like I was initially holding it with like a fingertip style, and even there it feels comfortable. Now the wire, you can just plug it in and use it. Once again, sorry, I can't really focus properly, but the wireless range is 10 meters and it has a 600 milliamp battery, 38 hours at 500 hertz. So you can set the polling rate in the software. It goes all the way up to 1000 hertz, and I'll be using that at 1000. But you can also switch off the LED light and strip, etc. So it'll save a little bit of battery. But it says 38 hours for at 500 hertz, and it takes about 3 hours to charge from 5 to 100%. So yeah, I'll need to use it a bit to see how well that is. But yeah, looks really good. It's cheap and affordable. I've used 2 of these Cosmic Byte mouse before and I've liked them. So I'm going to give this a try and see how it goes. Yeah, so far the only thing is like it's got a very familiar shape. The wire that you get isn't the best, probably because I mean it's just a basic wire, but yeah, you can remove that and use it wireless. So yeah, hope this is useful. Check it out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.